What's up, guys? Right here I'm gonna make a quick little video on the SS. Went ahead and installed some Raceland coilovers that I picked up for cheap, brand new, basically like half off from some guy about an hour away. And this is how it looks. I'm slammed in the back, pretty much the lowest I could go in the back. And here in the front, we left like a finger of gap. I didn't want to go too low because I didn't want it to hit all the time for it to bottom out. No more windshield tint for now. I had to remove it because I got a ticket. And then the windshield's cracked. That's why I haven't put it on. But yeah, check that out, guys. Hella drop. Been wanting to lower the car for a long ass time. Oh yeah, and I do gotta do some paint work right here. The clear coat started peeling. Gotta get that redone. Let me go ahead and start the car for y'all. That ticking noise is because it has a leak in the header that I haven't fixed. I have a brand new gasket at home that I haven't installed. But yeah, guys, that's how it's looking. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna have some more content coming soon.